Dot. Idioms, phrases, pull your chain. English meaning, to tease someone by leading them to believe something untrue. हिंदी meaning, किसी को कुछ असत्य मानने के लिए प्रेरित करके चिढ़ाना. Idioms, phrases, pups chance. English meaning, no chance. Hindi meaning, कोई मौका नहीं. Idioms, phrases, put to the sword. English meaning, to execute or kill or to severely defeat. Hindi meaning, मारना या बुरी तरह से परास्त करना. Idioms, phrases, put your foot down. English meaning, to take a firm stand. Hindi meaning, कड़ा रुख अपनाने के लिए. Idioms, phrases, put yourself in someone's shoes. English meaning, be or put oneself in another person's situation or predicament. हिंदी meaning, किसी अन्य व्यक्ति की स्थिति या दुर्दशा में होना या रखना. Idioms, phrases, Pyrrhic victory. English meaning, victory with heavy loss. Hindi meaning, भारी हार से जीत. Idioms, phrases, pass oneself off. English meaning, to try to make others believe that someone or something other than what the person or thing is. हिंदी meaning, दूसरों को यह विश्वास दिलाने की कोशिश करना कि वह व्यक्ति या वस्तु क्या है. Idioms, phrases, pick a hole in my coat. English meaning, to find faults in someone to criticize. हिंदी meaning, आलोचना करने के लिए किसी में दोष ढूंढना. Idioms, phrases, pull one's weight. English meaning, do one's fair share of work. हिंदी meaning, काम का उचित हिस्सा करो. Idioms, phrases, pull out all the stops. English meaning, make a very great effort to achieve something. हिंदी meaning, कुछ हासिल करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा प्रयास करें. Idioms, phrases, put on airs. English meaning, behaving like one is better than other people or behaving like boss. हिंदी meaning, एक जैसा व्यवहार करना दूसरे लोगों से बेहतर है या बॉस की तरह व्यवहार करना. Idioms, phrases, queer fish. English meaning, a person whose behavior seems strange or unusual. हिंदी meaning, एक व्यक्ति जिसका व्यवहार अजीब या असामान्य लगता है. Idioms, phrases, quick fix. English meaning, an easy, fast and temporary solution of a problem. हिंदी meaning, किसी समस्या का आसान, तेज और अस्थायी समाधान. Idioms, phrases, rack and ruin. English meaning, to fall into severe or total decay. हिंदी meaning, गंभीर या कुल क्षय में पड़ना. Idioms, phrases, rack your brain. English meaning, make a great effort to think of or remember something. हिंदी meaning, किसी चीज के बारे में सोचने या याद रखने का भरपूर प्रयास करें. Idioms, phrases, raining cats and dogs. English meaning, heavy rain. हिंदी meaning, भारी वर्षा. Idioms, phrases, rainy day. English meaning, days, times of trouble. हिंदी meaning, मुसीबत के दिन, समय. Idioms, phrases, raise eyebrows. English meaning, to show anger or surprise. हिंदी meaning, क्रोध या आश्चर्य प्रकट करना. Idioms, phrases, red rag to a bull. English meaning, something that makes someone angry. हिंदी meaning, कुछ ऐसा जो किसी को गुस्सा दिलाए.